How you doing, folks? My name's Jordan Heck. I'm a sales representative with All Valley RV in Acton. Have I got a product that works really well for long-term people? This is the product that I've got. This is a Carriage Cameo. It's an LXI Series 2006 35-foot model. It's triple slide, washer and dryer inside of it. Even has a fireplace based inside with 2 barrel chairs and a nice large bay window to the back. This series is real well taken care of, very clean inside of it, and it also has the option for a generator if you choose to utilize that. I have this coach and I don't want it. I'll give you it as low as $300 a month on approved credit. This is a particular item that you can't pass if you're looking for something full-time. So if you get the opportunity, give me a call. Our telephone number is 661-269-4800. Remember, ask for me, Jordan Heck, for the Cameo.